Hi, good afternoon, everyone. So, today I'm live on Rad Vision Consultant Facebook page, and it was a great opportunity to go on Facebook live streaming where we're going to talk about the current situation in Canada as well as Algoma University, what exactly we have on campus, that what we can provide it to our international student. So basically, today our agenda that we're going to talk more about the current situation in Canada. That's number one. Another thing that we're going to talk about the campus location. We're going to more talk about the programs currently we have for undergrad and postgrad students, as well as Algoma University implemented a new program for graduate students also. So, as well as we're going to more talk about the requirements and the recent changes that Algoma University had done it for undergrad and postgrad students, scholarship, bursaries, application discounts as well as. So that's our basically agenda. So before I start the session, I'm gonna wait for some more minutes so that our viewers can join the session today. And but I would like to request to everyone, if you have any questions or you would like to know about your profile, or you want to know anything about particularly Algoma University, so feel free to drop your question on the notes section. I appreciate uh, that I can definitely get back to you after this session. But if any student who missed this session, so you can go and rewind this video later on, or you can feel free to ask to Rad Vision Consultant team. Thank you so much to everyone. So I'm pretty much excited about the session today because every day is like amazing, and every day is like not a challenge, but it is something interesting that always talk about Algoma University, how every day we are progressing. Students have a lot of interest. They really want to know more about the curriculum, the programs, requirement, who all students can apply right now. That's one of the great opportunity we have. So I would like to thanks to Rad Vision team who give us this opportunity to go online on streaming. So I think we need to wait for some more minutes, then we can start this session quickly. So today my basically agenda that uh, I'm going to more highlight about Sault Ste. Marie because Sault Ste. Marie is our one of our main campus prime location we have. Our a lot of challenges, not the challenges I can say, but yes, amazing things, amazing. So So I think I'll start this session now, but I appreciate everyone that if you have any questions, so feel free to drop your question on the note section. So hi, good evening everyone. My name is Disha Dharamwal and I'm representing Algoma University as a South Asia manager. So not only students that we are recruiting from India, we have a student from Nepal, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Pakistan, student from different country, different world, those who are really interested and they're looking forward to go for undergrad and postgrad programs. So Algoma University is one of the leading public university we have located in Ontario in Canada. That's one of the beautiful province we have in location. So we have a two campus location. Our main campus located in Sault Ste. Ontario. Another campus we have in Brampton, Ontario. Algoma University have a 71th ranking among all the university and colleges in Canada. That's what really excite, and we feel proud of that we are representing one of the top university in Canada. So if I'll talk about current students in Algoma, we have 3,000 plus students, those who are studying in for undergrad and postgrad student, because Algoma University, they are very focused learning for undergrads programs, because Algoma University, they have amazing variety of the courses, It doesn't matter if student from arts background, commerce background, medical, non-medical, doesn't matter, because we are still welcoming a lot of international students right now. So we have a 3 intakes in a year. We have a Jan, May, and September 2020. So September, as you know, we have our really biggest intake, and we're providing as much as possible courses for undergrad students, those who are looking forward to go for bachelor's, 3 years course duration, 4 years course duration, as well as we have graduate certificate courses. So yes, we do have a 3-year program, 4 years course duration. We have 1 year graduate certificate courses, as well as Algoma University had recently launched a couple of new programs. That's what we're going to talk about it. So if I'll talk about our main campus location, we are located in Sault Ste. Marie, Ontario. So basically, Sault Ste. Marie, Ontario, located in Northern Ontario, one of the regional location we have. So this campus very close to US and Canada border, hardly 15 minutes drive, very close to border city to the US, Michigan and Chicago. So you can imagine that how close we are from US border, right? That means you can touch down to US border, you can go to city like, New York, Michigan, Chicago, anywhere, if you have a valid US passport. So that's what you need to understand. But if I'll talk about this campus location, this campus surrounded by beautiful mountains, cities, 3 lakes, cities we have like, island, beaches, surrounded by all full of nature. That's what make us really unique and proud of that. At while Algoma University and Susan campus, we have to choose, because a less population, almost like community with 75,000 people, and a lot of advantage, especially for those who are looking forward to study, those who are looking forward to migrate, those who are looking forward to work as well, because they have a huge advantage that who can recently start looking forward to migrate, because they have almost 3,000 jobs capacity right now in Susan location. So in entire Susan location, we are the only 2 institute. One is Algoma University, another we have Sault College. So Algoma University, almost 40,000 square feet is a campus we have. So you can imagine how big is a campus we have, where we can provide you on-campus accommodation, free transportation, as well as we can provide you beautiful research, practical labs we have, as well as we have amazing. So if any student looking forward to work on campus or off campus, so Algoma University have a huge demand, especially for international students. We have a 90% employment rate. That's what we deliver to an international student. We promise to international student, because they don't have to really worry about that if you're studying in Susan location or any regional location in Canada. So Sault Ste. Marie recently has been implemented for new immigration, like rural pilot immigration. So that's what students need to understand. Rather studying in like, any big cities like Brampton, Toronto, Mississauga, or Vancouver, it's good to there. It's good to study over there, but you need to understand the affordability, the price cost, the value added, as well as the PR opportunities. So if students studying in Susan location or any regional location like Nova Scotia, Winnipeg, or maybe Susan location, they are getting the easiest way for PR opportunities. That means if you finish your study like 3 years or 4 years, after finishing up your study, you can after 6 months apply for the PR. That's how it is for you, and you can easily get settled down over there. So that's not the challenge over there to being an international student, because as per my experience, I have seen a lot of students who have a really great experience, those who are studying over there, those who are migrate, those who are working as well. So the wages, it's quite higher as comparison to Brampton. So let's take if you're working in Brampton. So the normally wages comes around 11 to 12 or $13. That's it. But if you're studying in Susan location, if you're working over there, off campus or even on campus, so the normally wages comes around $16 to $20. So that's what you need to understand, that what kind of a placement, what kind of an advantage you are getting in that particular location. So Susan Medical completely, they have recruited like 3,000 students. They have on campus right now, those who are studying in Susan location as well as in Brampton. So if I'll talk about Brampton campus location, so Brampton campus we have launched last year in 2019, but we're rapidly growing this campus. We are expanding our campus hopefully by end of the year, but majority of the program we have in Susan campus location. So let's take, if I'll give you an example, we have a bachelor's of business administration, we have accounting, economics, marketing, human resource management, we have agriculture, we have information technology, psychology, biology, computer science, as well as we have a law and justice, English literature, social and development. So you can imagine that how many courses currently we have for undergrad and postgrad students. So we are not lacking anywhere, because sometimes students, they have a different personality, they have a different mindset, they have a different option that they're looking forward to. Because if they're studying in college in Canada, they're not getting the benefits being an international student, because you're not able to work any multinational companies or IT companies. So that's what they need to understand, that they might be have a little challenge that if they are studying in colleges, but they need to understand that university or degree value, it always giving helping hand, it give you a learning experience being an international student. So Brampton campus we have in currently downtown Greater Toronto, we have a location. We are very close to Toronto and Toronto Pearson Airport, hardly 1 hour drive. But if I'll talk about entire Brampton, we feel very proud, because in entire Brampton we are the only one university working published, and those are looking forward to study in particular Brampton location. So we are the only one university right now, and I feel very proud of that, because whenever I talk about that, I'm promoting Algoma University, and an entire Brampton, we are the only one university we have. So that what it makes me feel very proud and unique, because you can see that Brampton is quite big, but they have certain colleges, a lot of university have amazing options to study for undergrad and postgrad students. We have a lot of students from Punjab as well, those who are really enjoying the campus. They're believing the amazing culture in campus, because our professor really giving you amazing opportunities being an international students. So right now, if I'll talk about Susan location, because Susan location, as I said, we have the one of the great advantage we have. So that's why you need to understand that what kind of a possibility, what kind of approach are you looking forward to? Because studying in Canada, it's not that easy, but it's one of the great destination for international student. You need to do a lot of research before you start applying, studying in any institute, any college or university. You need to understand that what kind of a level you have. Are you going to study student? So yes, Algoma University, it's unique because they have amazing campus placement. They have an amazing structure for international students. They have an amazing research lab, practical labs, as well as there are a lot of international students who are following the culture, following the religions over there. So currently we have undergrad and postgrad student. As I said, it doesn't matter if student from arts background, medical, non-medical, they have a right to choose all these program in Algoma University. So coming back quickly on the requirement. So currently those who are looking forward to apply for September 2020. So we have given the great advantage to Rad Vision consultant team, especially for those who are looking forward to apply right now for September intake. So yes, Algoma University is still accepting the application on the basis of condition. So yes, if any student looking forward to go for, so yes, we can definitely get admission done for you. So our application deadline is July 2020, and we are currently offering you amazing scholarship, those who are applying for September. So we have an additional scholarship for undergrad and postgrad, $2,000 for bachelor students, either you going forward for 3-year program or 4-year program. So you can avail 2,000 Canadian dollar. That's number one. If any student going forward for postgrad programs, so postgrad any 1 year or 2 year, you can qualify for $3,000 scholarship. So you must be thinking that how we can avail this scholarship, how we can apply. So you don't have to do anything. You don't have to go on the website even. It comes automatically on your offer letter. That's number one. Now, undergrad students. So undergrad now. So right now, if any student who are meeting their 60 to 70 percentage, they can qualify for $500 scholarship plus $2,000 scholarship. That means they can qualify for $2,500 scholarship. If any student having 70 to 80 percentage, they can qualify for 1,000 Canadian dollar as well as $2,000. That means they can qualify for $3,000 scholarship. If any student going forward for 80 to 90 aggregate, you can qualify for 2,500 plus $2,000 scholarship. That means you can qualify for $4,500 scholarship. If any student who have 90 or above percentage, you can qualify for $5,000 scholarship. That means 5,000 we have every year scholarship. That means if you're going forward for a 3-year program for bachelor's or 4-year, so your $5,000 it comes automatically on your offer letter. But we have an additional scholarship $2,000. That means you can qualify for $7,000. So these are the two scholarship undergrad student. Same like for postgrad student, those who are going forward for 1-year program or 2-year program, you can qualify for $3,000 scholarship. So let's say if we have a fees 20,000 Canadian dollar for first year, so yes, you can qualify for these amazing scholarship. That means you only have to pay when you're supposed to pay in any Canadian colleges, which is like $13,000, $15,000. Same amount of like tuition fees you're paying in university, which is one of the reputed university, one of the top university in Canada. So if you're qualifying for all this scholarship, you only have to pay like $13,000, $14,000, $16,000 as well as $18,000. So if any student qualifying on the basis of their 12th year grade, then only you can qualify and get the admission done, and you can qualify for these wonderful scholarship right now. Same like for postgrad student, those who going forward for 1-year program or 2-year program. So yes, you can definitely avail these scholarship. So these two scholarship running until June 2020, those who are looking forward to apply for September, because our application deadline is July 2020. For scholarship deadline is June 2020, like this month. So if any student who are very keen to go in Algoma University for undergrad and postgrad, you can definitely avail this scholarship. Another thing I wanted to highlight about application discount, because our application fees is $125, but Radvision Consultant, they have given us this opportunity to go online. But if any student watching this video right now, and if you're seeking for admissions, so yes, Algoma University is still open and you can avail this application discount. So 50 Canadian dollar is our application discount, which is running until June 15th this month, especially for undergrad and postgrad student. It doesn't matter, but you can definitely avail this application discount right now. Coming back quickly on the especially for requirement, those who are seeking for conditional offer letter. So Algoma University have released the conditions, especially for 12th student, those who are looking forward to go for undergrad 3 years and 4 years. Same like for postgrad, we are currently releasing the conditional offer letter. So if any student do not have 12th year final year mark sheet, but yes, Algoma University still accept your application on the basis of missing document. So let's say if you're looking forward to go for undergrad and postgrad, especially for 3 years and 4 year students, like those who are going forward in Sault Ste. Marie as well as in Brampton. So we required at least 10th year transcript, same like 11th year transcript if you have, as well as if you have a valid passport, then you are good to go to apply in Algoma University on the basis of these documents. If you have these 3 documents, or maybe if you do not have English level requirement, English level test, IELTS, PT, TOEFL, as well as if you do not have a Duolingo test, then you are completely okay. Then you can still apply on the basis of conditional offer letter. That's number one. Same like for postgrad student, if you have 10th year mark sheet, 12th year mark sheet, and if you have a resume, the updated one, as well as if you have a work experience, valid passport, first year transcript, or if you have a second year transcript but you do not have currently third year transcript, or you have a final year degree. But yes, Algoma University is still accepting your application on the basis of conditional letter. But for the final letter of acceptance, you have to submit all the remaining and the pending documents. So if any student who are looking for admission right now for September 2020, so yes, you can avail these amazing application discount as well as wonderful scholarship for undergrad and postgrad. So do not miss this opportunity. You can get in touch with Rad Vision Consultant team. They will let you know the best possibilities, a best course guidance, as well as how you can avail these wonderful scholarship. So these are the amazing things we have. Coming back on again, same on the level of requirement, because we have done a lot of certain changes and drastic changes on the requirement, because Algoma University come back with amazing opportunities for international students. So if any student, especially let's take if you 12th year, right now, but you have commerce and science, because there are some university and colleges, they demand mathematics should be in your mandatory in your 12th year aggregate in your study. But if you do not have a mathematics in your year 12, as well as if you do not have a mathematics in your science background, you are good to go to apply in Algoma University, because we don't require mathematics anymore in your 12th year background. That's number one. Number two, if any student from any boards, including CBSE, ICSE board and Punjab board, Haryana board, even open board schooling, we are still accepting open board schooling, because there are some university and colleges, they're not entertained with open boards NIOS. But yes, Algoma University accept your application. Either you have 12th year board open board, as well as if you have a university distance learning education. So it doesn't matter, just make sure you are pretty much fine in terms of your requirement, then we can accept your application. So student from any board, it doesn't matter, they can still qualify to apply at Algoma University. That's number two. Number three, if any student having a backlog, because they must be really curious about that, how many backlog that university or college is accepting. So yes, Algoma University reduce the requirement, especially for our backlogs as well as the gap. So if you have 10, 15 or 20 backlogs, we are completely okay. If you have a backlogs, student having a backlog which is 10, 15 or 20, it doesn't matter, until unless you have all the final year mark sheet, you have a degree, then we will definitely accept your application. So backlog, we don't care about the backlogs. If any student having a long gap on their education, so let's take if student having a 3 years gap on the education, 4 year, 5 year, even 10 year including, so we are pretty much good that we can accept long gap, so able to pursue the education or IELTS right now. So yes, they can qualify for Duolingo test. If you do not have IELTS, PT, even TOEFL, if you have a Duolingo test, we will definitely accept your application. So if you can check on the Duolingo website, there are the list of university, who all university accepting Duolingo right now, who all colleges accepting Duolingo. So yes, Algoma University on the second number that they are accepting Duolingo. So IELTS, we are accepting 6 overall, 6 in each. If any student having a 5.5 or 5 band in one of the module, so yes, we will not accept your application, because we need at least 6 overall, 6 in each if you really put your application under SDS, because SDS category, it gives a lot of chances and there's a high possibility on your visa success. But if any student having a 5.5 or 5 band in any of the module, we will not entertain all those application. So for undergrad and postgrad, we have similar requirements, 6 overall, 6 in each. PT, we required 60 overall, because initially we required 63 overall, but now we have reduced our requirement, so we need 60 scored now and 50 in each. Same like for TOEFL, we required 79, and Duolingo, we are accepting 110. So if you have all these, any of the tests right now, you are good to go to get the admission. If you do not have, or currently, if you're pursuing any of the tests like IELTS, PT, Duolingo, so we can still grant you the conditional offer letter. So these are the facts about the requirement, especially as I told you that scholarship we can offer for undergrad and postgrad student. So do not miss this opportunity, especially because our application deadline, and I keep on repeating the same thing because our application deadline is July 2020, scholarship deadline June this month, end of the month, and application deadline is 15th of June. So if any student looking forward for opportunity to pursue their study right now, one of the top university, so yes, Algoma University is the best option for you. That's something about the requirement. Quickly gonna come back on the on-campus opportunity, especially for Susan campus location, and as I told you about the Brampton, because I always discuss about this, that how. So I was talking about the Susan campus location, what we can offer you on campus opportunities. So because some students always they have a plan, they have a mindset that they have to study in big cities like Brampton, Toronto, Mississauga, Vancouver, but they need to understand the facts, the value added, the cost affordability in Brampton location as well as in Sault Ste. Marie, because Sault Ste. Marie is quite affordable for international student if you're looking forward to have on campus accommodation as well as off-campus accommodation. Even though transportation, meals, health insurance, it is quite affordable as comparison to Sault Ste. Marie, Brampton campus location, because Brampton is quite like expensive. That's what I had experience. So that's why I'll always recommend to my international student, if you're looking forward to study in Brampton or Sault Ste. location, you are pretty much good because this is all your decision to go. But some students, they don't have a plans, they don't have arrangements in Canada. But yes, Algoma University providing you on-campus facilities like on-campus accommodation, which is starting from $5,000 to $8,000. So same like if you're studying and if you're living in big cities like Brampton, Toronto, so the normally cost around for like per annum starting from $10,000 to $15,000. Same like if I'm talking about every month cost around $2,000, $3,000. But yes, on the same price, we are providing you on campus accommodation. So which is starting from $5,000 to $8,000. So what exactly you are getting? So you are getting this free Wi-Fi access, one single private room, 3 times of meal like breakfast, lunch, dinner, because Algoma University, they have a different community, they have a different culture. They not only prepare only English food, they prepare different kind of varieties of the cuisine and the foods they offer. So yes, we have an Indian cuisine as well, but that's what we can provide you in Susan location. So these are the 3 times of meal we are providing in Susan location, as well as we have on-campus free transportation. So that's what students need to understand, that in Canada, it's transportation, it's not easy to afford it, because every day it's cost around $5 to $7. Every week cost around $15 to $20. Even though if I'll talk about every month, the transportation costs around $200 to $300. So some students may not able to afford transportation cost over there, but yes, Algoma University providing you a free transportation, because in Sault Ste. Marie, we have an amazing, everything is so affordable, everything within the 5-10 minutes walking distance. So that means you don't require the transportation in Sault Ste. location, because the local people in Sault Ste. Marie, they more prefer to go on via bicycle, via walk, so everything within the 5-10 minutes walking distance. So if I talk about Brampton location, everything within the half an hour or 1 hour distance. So that means you must be required the transportation. So every week you have to pay like, $10 to $15. But in the same time, in some location, you not have to afford, you have to pay like every week or month like $200 to $300, because Algoma University providing you on campus accommodations and on campus like free transportation. That means you're saving a lot of money on your transportation. That's number one. Number two, if any student looking forward to have on-campus jobs, because yes, Algoma University providing you on-campus jobs as well. So we have opportunity as like that you can move forward for co-op opportunity, that these are the paid Canadian co-op we have, and these are the 100% guaranteed co-op we have. That's number one. Number two, Algoma University providing you undergrad research programming. These are the research programming not only for PhD level students or master level student. These are the research programming we have undergrad students. So that means you can work as an assistant, you can work as a volunteer, and these are the volunteership we have basically that you can work on campus. So these are the wonderful opportunities you have, that you can work as an admin, you can work as a librarian, you can work as an assistant, as a professors. So yes, that means you don't have to really worry about the jobs on campus or off campus, because as I said, like if you studying in Susan location, so the wages quite higher as comparison to Brampton, because in Sault Ste. Marie normally people who are working as a 20 hours per week part-time and full-time, so the wages comes around $15 to $16. Same like in Brampton, the wages comes around $11 to $12 or $13 maybe sometime. So that's why you need to understand the value added and the affordability in both the campus location. So that's what something really important. I really encourage to those international students, those who are looking forward to apply right now for September 2020 through Red Vision Consultant team. So yes, we can offer you these amazing scholarship application discount. So do not lose this opportunity. Please get in touch with them as soon as possible, and we'll try to prioritize your application. And one more thing I wanted to highlight before I'll just go off, that Sault Ste. Marie, because as I said, like this new immigration has been implemented, rural and pilot immigration. So if you're looking forward to have this easiest way for permanent residency, so I will definitely recommend you to study in Sault Ste. location, So that's where you need to understand and do a little bit research before you start applying in any university or colleges, what kind of possibilities you are getting being an international student. So thank you so much to Red Vision team that for giving us this opportunity to go live on Facebook page. But if any student have any concerns or any question, I would love to answer you about your profile or anything if you missed out of it. So I can see there are a few questions are going on. Thanks, Nishant. Nitin, I think Nitin Kapoor, you need to speak to Red Vision team that what kind of they opt for you opportunities in Cyprus, because we don't deal with Cyprus. Radhika have a question that how to avail scholarship. So Radhika, would you mind if you can mention what kind of a scholarship are you looking? Because are you like undergrad or postgrad? Because we have two types of scholarship right now. And especially for undergrad, we are offering $2,000 scholarship. Those who are right now applying for September. And we have an academic basis scholarship, which is starting from $500 to $5,000. So this is only applicable on the basis of your academic. If you have a 60 to 70%, then you can qualify for $500 plus $2,000. We have an additional. So 70 to 80, we can offer you $1,000 scholarship. Same like if you have a 80 to 90%, we can offer you $2,500 scholarship, as well as if you have a 90 and above percentage, you can qualify for $5,000 scholarship. So these are the undergrad scholarship we have. For postgrad right now, we can offer you $3,000 scholarship. So that's what we can advise you. I mean, you can let me know what kind of a program are you looking forward to. So yes, June is a deadline for undergrad and postgrad student that you can avail the scholarship. So you don't have to apply, you don't have to do anything. You just have to submit a document and it comes automatically on your offer letter. So that means you don't have to do anything. So yes, it's very affordable to study in Algoma, because Algoma University, one of the public leading university, one of the top university in Canada. Whatever the amount of university tuition fees you are paying in any college for one, so same thing you paying the very affordable fee. So I will definitely recommend you, if any student looking forward to apply right now, so you can definitely get in touch with Rad Vision team. And Manish have a question that university provide hotel management program. So Manish, we don't deal with Australia, we only deal with Canada. So, guys, I wanted to highlight one of the program, which is graduate certificate courses that we have recently launched. Because Algoma University come back, as I said, we have an amazing program. We have a lot of courses right now for September 2020. We have opened all the programs right now. So, in postgrad level courses, we have a business, human resource management, we have a project management, computing, information technology, mobile software courses, health science, and environmental science. Especially for postgrad, we have a different requirement altogether. But for undergrad student, we have minimum 60 and aggregate percentage. So if any student looking forward to study right now for undergrad courses, they must have 60 or above than that. Then only you can qualify to study in Algoma University, and you can get the offer letter. That's number one. For postgrad, we have all different courses and different requirement. Especially for postgrad business, this is one of a 1 year course duration program we have. So minimum we required 55 percentage, but we need mathematics either in your 12th or in your graduation. But if you do not have a maths, so we can offer you human resource management 1 year or 2 year also. Algoma University has recently launched postgrad human resource management, which is 2 years course duration. That means you can qualify for 16 months study on campus, as well as you can qualify for 4 months internship. So the internship, it can be paid and unpaid both, which is offered by Algoma University. So human resource management, we have a 2 years course duration, as well as we have 1 year course also. The fees is pretty much same like Algoma University have launched graduate certificate in project management. So the project management, it's highly demanding in Canada, very valuable and very impacting a lot for international students. So yes, we have launched one of the new program, which is graduate certificate in project management. So this is also a 2 year program we have. That means you can qualify for 3 year study permit for all 2 year program. That's another one. For computing, IT, mobile software courses, because in both the campuses, Brampton and Sault Ste. Marie. In Brampton, we have only 4 courses right now, but in Sault Ste. Marie, we have all courses right now for undergrad and postgrad. So let's take, if you're looking forward to have this health science and environmental science, it doesn't matter if student from pharmacy background, medical background, or health science background, you can have a right to choose all these program in Algoma University, but we are offering you in Sault Ste. Marie. So in project management, we required minimum bachelor degree, which is 50 aggregate, and those who have done diploma after 12th, so we need 60 and above percentage to qualify. But as I said, if you do not have a final year mark sheet, if you do not have any English level requirement, you can still apply on the basis of conditional offer letter. So yes, I wanted to inform you about these 2 programs, which is graduate certificate in human resource management, as well as graduate certificate in project management. These are the 2 year program we have currently. That means you can qualify for 3 year study permit. So I would like to inform to everyone that if you're looking forward to apply, please do not lose this opportunity, do not miss this chance. Get in touch with Rad Vision education team and apply as quickly as you can. So thank you so much team for having us today, and I'm sure you all having this amazing time and you all enjoyed the session today. But if any one of you have any question related to Algoma University, especially on program requirement, and especially English level requirement. If you have any concern, feel free to put your question on the notes section, and we will definitely get back to you. Before I leave, I'm gonna tell you one more thing which is very important. Last but not the least, Algoma University, which is September intake currently we have. So our class is going to be extend, which is October 2020, because due to this COVID-19 situation, we trying to coping up a lot, we're trying to managing a lot, but due to COVID-19 situation, it might be a little a drawback for international students, and especially for Indian students also, that international flights, when they're going to open, we have no clarity right now, but we are still expecting the good news from the immigration border, as well as from the Indian government also, when they're going to start their international flights. But we have a lot of expectation for September 2020, but our classes going to be online virtual classes for September also. Our class is going to be deferred for October 2020. But I really appreciate you, all of you, that if you're really considering this online classes, because you're saving a lot of money in terms of your GIC, your travel, your insurance, your residency, your meal in Canada, because you're saving almost $10,000 to $15,000. So that means you need to understand, if you have a valid study permit, you may allow to have, and you can continue first year or second semester here, and it might be a great chances for you that you can start going to Canada. And there are certain news that you can start traveling to Canada, and you can enjoying the same like being an international student, you can enjoy the on-campus classes. But currently, due to COVID-19 situation, we cannot predict anything. We try to make you safe, because situation currently in India, it's not good that like Canada, because in Canada situation is very very under control. I mean, you, every one of you listening the news every day about the COVID-19 situation. Even in US, it's really really tough for everyone. Even in Australia, the government is not able to allow right now to international students, they can start traveling until October 2020. Same like in Europe, in UK, situation is so tough. But thankfully Canada, it's safe right now for international students. Same like in Algoma University, those who are already student on campus. So our faculty, our department, our team really helping our international student on the basis of student emergency funds. So this fund is basically organizing for international students, those who are not able to work part-time, full-time, those who are not able to have meals, accommodation. So yes, our university, our faculty people really helping our international student, that they can have this helping hand from the faculty people, our professors. So that's kind of an advantage we have for like current students. But I really appreciate to all of you, those who are looking forward to apply for September, do not hold your application just because of COVID-19 situation, because then only you can avail this wonderful scholarship and application discount. But if again any one of you have any concern, feel free to chat with us, and you can drop your question on the notes section. I will definitely return it back. So thank you so much for paying attention. Thank you so much for having us today on the session, and we will definitely come back again with latest news from the immigration border, from the university, and what kind of a program we're going to launch hopefully in future. So thank you so much to all the viewers and the student. So please get in touch with Rad Vision team, and they will let you know the facts and figure about Algoma. Thank you so much everyone. Have a lovely evening.